Go get your ball. Bring it to mommy. Good boy. Shake. Oops. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Up. Ouch. Good boy. Ouch. Cage. Go to your cage. Go to your cage. Nat, get in your cage. Cage. Good boy. I'm dropping him. He's hurting my fingers. Lay down. Good boy. Up. Good boy. What else? Shake. Shake. Good boy. Go to your cage. I forgot to stay. Good boy. Shoving him down his throat. These aren't the best treats to be given him. Stay. Stay. Good boy. There you go. Say hi to Mama. That's all of our tricks so far. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mama. How fuzzy. Let's see if we can get him to do this one real quick. Like we did a minute ago. We actually done it. Here. Hey, calm yourself. Go get it. Whoa, hello. This way. Close enough for now. I said if you get so close, it works. Here, ready? Bring it to mommy. Good boy. Get it and bring it to me first. Go get it. Put it in here. Close enough. This one's a work in progress. Go on. Bring it to mommy. Nope. Get it. Get it. No. Cooper, get your mouse. Get your mouse. Ah! Here, go get it. Bring it to mommy. Good boy. Good boy. One more time. Did I drop it? Okay, ready? Here, just eat that one. Ready? He's going digging for treasure. Cooper. Cooper, we'll get it later. We'll get it later, okay? Ready? Ready? Go. Bring it to mommy. Put it in here. No, we gotta work on that one some more. To be continued. All right.